A mold is a tool for the production of plastic products, which is composed of several groups of parts, and this combination has a molding mold cavity. During injection molding, the mold is clamped on the injection molding machine. The molten plastic is injected into the molding mold cavity and cooled and shaped in the cavity. And then the upper and lower molds are separated, and the products are ejected from the mold cavity through the ejection system to leave the mold. And finally, the mold is closed for the next injection molding. And the whole injection molding process is carried out in cycles. Plastic mold manufacturers need to choose different plastic raw materials to reduce manufacturing costs as much as possible when creating plastic molds for different products. And the following are several raw materials that are often used with plastic molds: polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene, ABS, etc. The plastic products produced by plastic mold manufacturers are used in many fields, and people are becoming more and more dependent on plastic products. And the main application fields and industries of plastic products are packaging, daily necessities, industry, construction, etc. When designing plastic molds, plastic mold manufacturers need to design according to certain points, so that the design of plastic molds has higher precision, which helps to improve the level and quality of molds, shorten the mold cycle, save metal resources, and the design points mainly include clear plastic parts design requirements, plastic parts production batch, mold overall design, mold design related calculations, plastic molding machine preselection, mold detail design, etc. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription and consultation to get more industry information.